Hey guys, I hope you're well. So in today's video, as you can see, I did a super glam makeup look. It's like very smoky black, smoky eyes with like a hint of gold halo kind of look to kind of match with this outfit. And if you guys are wondering, this outfit is from Diya online. This is really nice kind of like gold metallic detailed suit. I have shopped from them previously, and you guys probably have noticed I have done like 2 videos of me wearing their saris, the pink one and the gold one. I also have pictures on my Instagram, so do check that out. And like whenever I wore those saris, I got a lot of compliments. Like, it's so simple, minimal and different. So I was so surprised when they contacted me when they wanted to work with me on this, and they sent me, and I picked this one because it's something different. It's very nice, elegant. I love the kind of gold black detail kind of metallic look. It's autumn. It's, by the way, this is from the autumn collection. I will link everything down below in the description bar. And the thing with Diya is that their delivery is super quick. You get it within a few days, and the sizing is good. I got a size small. It fits perfectly, it's super comfortable, and it's easy to order on their website. The reason why I shop on the site is because their style is kind of the sort of style that I go for, very simple, minimal, and just like light detailing. Definitely go check them out. They do have saris and other Asian wear like this one as well. Okay, so now let's get on with the makeup part of the video. So I'm gonna start. I've already moisturized my face with the Skin Defense moisturizer by the Body Shop, and I've already done my brows as well. I use a Freedom Brow Pomade in the shade Ebony. I'm going to prime my eyelids with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C12. And then set it in place as usual with the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. So I'm going to go for a black smoky eye. This is something I've never done before, and I was always too scared to try it because I wondered how that would look. I don't want to look like I've got like a black eye or anything. So I hope it turns out good. Yeah, because this is something really out of my comfort zone. And I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette, obviously, because this one has the black eyeshadow. I've never used this shade as well, and I heard that it is quite difficult to blend, but we'll see how it goes. So to start off, I'm going to take Sandalwood just as a blending shade in my crease. Oh, actually I kind of like this color, Dubai, because I've got black and then this kind of like deep gold color. It looks kind of similar. Oh look, you can see me there. Yeah, it looks kind of similar to this shade, Dubai. So I don't know if the black doesn't turn out good, I might add a bit of Dubai just to give kind of the halo look. So yeah, start off, I'm using Sandalwood in my crease. And then I'm going to take Cocoa and apply that over my crease as well. And I'm going to apply that on my eyelids as well. And then I'm going to take the Black Truffle shade and apply that on my lid. Sorry, I'm not sure about this black eyeshadow, so I'm just going to create like a halo with this Dubai shade. Just like a slight shimmer in the center. Okay, that feels a bit better. I felt like the black, plain matte black looked a bit too, I don't know, scary. Okay, so now I'm just going to draw a normal winged eyeliner with the usual Bourjois liner. So I'm just going to line my waterline with a pencil liner. For lashes, I'm using this Pink River lashes I'm not sure which ones these are, but I'll link it down below in the description bar. I'll link everything down below in the description bar. Okay, I really do need to get a black lash glue. My one has finished, so that's why I'm using this clear one. But it's really not clear, it still stays white, and I still need to go over it with eyeliner, and it's just really messy. And yeah. So I'm gonna wait for this to dry, and then I'll go over it with eyeliner. So moving on to the face, I'm going to be using the Born This Way foundation. I'm so excited. and it's in the shade. I got this from Selfridges, so I got this tested on my skin, and I think honey was the best one for my skin. It is a cool tone, it's not a warm tone, because I'm not a fan of the cool tone ones. Well, I don't know, I feel like the warm tones just make my face look orangey. So I'm really excited to try this one out for the first time. And it says, this oil-free foundation masterfully diffuses the line between makeup and skin, coverage so undetectable, and skin so naturally radiant. They'll think you were born this way. Ooh. So yeah, I'm gonna try this out. I feel like this is a bit light for me. Oh, I think when I blend it out, it should be fine. I think because it is a cool tone, it looks kind of light, but this is the shade I should be wearing, because the one above this was actually too dark for me. So, and I didn't want the warm tone one, so. This feels like, I'm not sure, I feel like it's very kind of lightweight. It's not full coverage, it's like a medium coverage. And I don't think it's matte. I think it's just kind of like satin finish. But I like the finish. It does look like skin. It doesn't give that orangey finish, I think, because I got the cool tone one. But yeah, I like it. It looks quite natural. It's just not full coverage. I think it's buildable, but I think I'm going to stick with this. It looks like natural. It doesn't look like I have foundation on. I think this is more like the Giorgio Armani. If you try the Giorgio Armani, it's definitely kind of like that, but a bit more full coverage compared to that. And then for concealer, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C12. And then I'm just going to set it in place with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. And then for contour, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Contour Matchstick in the shade Truffle, as usual. And then I'm just going to use a sleek contour blush palette just to go over that. I'm just going to take this Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Airbrush Flawless Powder and apply that all over my face. And for blush, I'm going to take this Milani blush in the baked blush in the shade Red Vino. It's a really pretty kind of deep reddish pinkish. Whoa, this is really pigmented. It's my first time using this and I did not expect this. Oh. I'm just going to finish off the eyes. I'm going to smoke my lower lash line with the black eyeshadow I used earlier, and just add a pop of that DeBarge shade on my inner corners. And for highlight, I'm using this old sleek highlighter palette in the shade Cleopatra's Kiss. I'm going to take this gold shade. And then for the lips, just going to line my lips with this Urban Cafe lip liner by NYX. And then for the lips, I'm using this NYX Powder Puff lipstick in the shade Best Bud. And then to set it in place, I'm going to use Skindinavia's Oil Control Finishing Spray. This is the finished look, and I'm just gonna quickly straighten my hair a little bit, just a little bit, and I'll be right back. I hate putting the tikka on. You know what, yeah, because you guys asked me how I do the tikka. This is basically how I do it. So this is a finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of this makeup look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.